Anywhere is home. LG ThinQ is expanding its territory beyond the home into various spaces. Now you can enjoy the intelligent company of ThinQ when driving.
Hey there, my name is Gabriel. I'm going to show you how LG ThinQ can take the comfort of home to wherever you happen to be. Now right behind me we have a connected car. This is not my car, this is not my neighbor's car. This is a share car or shared mobility, and it runs on WebOS Auto. There you go. So it knows who I am. Now keep in mind, LG ThinQ knows where I'm at. Also it gives me my seat assignment, and now I can go inside. Now the first thing I like to do when I get inside is I put my jacket into this clothing care compartment. Now this compartment is going to get rid of wrinkles, it's going to get rid of odors, which I really appreciate. It's going to get rid of dust and allergens. And the best part is, it uses pure water, steam, and no chemicals, so I should show up nice and fresh. Let me tell you a little bit about the connectivity of LG ThinQ. When I was at home not too long ago, I was watching a soccer game. ThinQ knows this. Now ThinQ also knows that I'm in the smart car, right? Because I did the verification. Now watch what happens when I speak kind of vaguely just out to my virtual personal assistant right here. Watch what happens. Hi LG. Can you show me the highlights? There you go. So LG knew that I was talking about the soccer highlights and not something else. I could again just speak to my virtual personal assistant, or I can go ahead and press that button. The drinks rise up to greet me. Now, watch the screen and notice what happens as soon as I take a drink out. I'm automatically charged $2. Now the question is, how does it know that I'm the one who took it out and not my neighbor here or the person in front of me? Well, again, that is the virtual personal assistant up here, which can also read my motions and my movements. So it reads that I'm the one who took it out. Okay, so I just got a notification that there's an accident ahead. Now I can actually see how serious the accident is with what's called LG 5G AR View. And this is powered by LG U+. So I'm gonna do this, I'll just speak to that virtual personal assistant again. Hi LG, AR View. And there it is. Now because of the speed and connectivity of LG U+, I can see real-time video of cars up ahead. It's actually their video. They're closer to the accident. Now I can see that, or I could actually go and look at anywhere else I want.
Estimated arrival time, 20 minutes delayed. Next available reservation time at Chloe's table is 7:30. Shall I change your reservation?
Yes, please.
Reservation changed.
Okay, so here's what just happened. Now, LG ThinQ knows about my reservation at Chloe's table. It also knows that there's an accident. It has a good estimated time of arrival. So it puts all that together and it recommends that I change my reservation time. Now with LG ThinQ, you can bring the comfort of home no matter where you go. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how this connected car works. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna get back to my soccer game. Thanks so much.